President Bola Tinubu has transmitted a fresh set of reform bills to the Senate, targeting Nigeria's justice system and health sector in a sweeping legislative push. The president is seeking approval to expand the number of judges across key courts to ease mounting case backlogs, proposing an increase in Court of Appeal justices from 70 to 110 and Federal High Court judges from 70 to 90. The Senate also received a request to confirm a Supreme Court nominee and a bill to establish an alternative dispute resolution center within the appellate system. Similarly, Tinubu forwarded 24 health sector bills aimed at streamlining governance by cutting bloated boards in health institutions, including teaching hospitals and regulatory agencies. All proposals have been referred to the Senate Committee on Rules and Business for legislative consideration. And now, News Central's correspondent Sagir Ibrahim joins us live from the National Assembly for more on this. Sagir Ibrahim, a trove of requests from the presidency are pending before the lawmakers. What updates have you got?
So far, the bills have been transmitted, executive bills, 3 of them, to the National Assembly, of course, first day of resumption from recess. These bills were taken and they were, of course, transmitted to the relevant committees with the expectation that legislative work would commence on them. That's so far the update on those bills. You'd recall that yesterday plenary had to adjourn way earlier than necessary, of course, following the death of one of their colleagues, Godia Akwashiki from Nasarawa State. So a minute of silence was held in honor of the lawmaker, and of course plenary activities is expected to commence in earnest and of course in full throttle today. Expectations, we found on the order paper that the senators will of course be deliberating upon a report from the Committee on Electoral Matters, particularly with regards to the Electoral Amendment Act, and that is expected to happen today. Of course, further deliberation is expected on that, and when that happens, we'll be bringing much more details on these deliberations. Back to you, Blessings.
All right, Sagir Ibrahim there on the Senate's resumption, and like he said, we'll be bringing more details.